Hey guys, my name is Tiffany. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to take a little mini trip to the beach just for the day, and Eugene is actually in the store right now getting us some things to eat so that we don't eat bad stuff. Ooh, what's that?
Dinosaur.
What do you got there, Marissa?
It's a dinosaur.
What kind of dinosaur? Can you show the tricks that it can do? What kind of tricks?
It's an Ankylosaurus.
Okay. Can you show what it does? Ooh. There it is. Hey guys, we finally made it to the beach. Thank the Lord. It was a little bit of traffic. It wasn't too bad for a Sunday, but I'm so glad we finally got here. What do you think, Eugene?
Oh, it's just so wonderful. I mean, it's great to see the view. It's great to see all the people out. I'm glad that we're allowed to be out here despite what's going on with COVID. I know things have died down somewhat, but it's just really nice. Like I said, the view and the waves are really comforting, and the sound is comforting. And being able to see our daughter out here and really enjoying herself, it's just great. It's like a little mini vacation to me.
Yeah, even though it's just for just a couple hours, I still feel like it's better than not doing anything at all. I feel like with COVID, we've just been stuck in the house all the time, and I'm just like, we were just kind of like, we got to get out of here, we got to do something. And not that where we live doesn't have nice parks and things like that, but we kind of appreciate the sound of the ocean and how peaceful it is.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I'd rather look at this beautiful ocean than just look at walls in a home, an apartment. Right?
Yeah, because yesterday we didn't do much of anything.
Yeah.
We kind of like recuperated from the work week, and then today after church we were like, it was like it kind of was last minute. We were thinking about it early in the week, but then we were tired yesterday, and then after church we were like, you know what, let's just get out of here for a second. Is the water cold? Get the boat before yeah, go give it to, that's theirs, right?
Hey, let me use it.
Okay, but he's ready to use it. One of the other good things about going out of town or what have you, you can always do your work anywhere as long as you have a hotspot. Marissa, what are you doing?
I'm drying myself, but Mommy has to do it because I'm trying to be a mermaid.
You're trying to be a mermaid? I don't even know if I know how to do this. Let me see. Oh, I see you too. I see you too.
And then now you have to shape the bottom of it right. You have to do this. Then you have to shape the bottom of it. Hey, Mommy.
I'm listening.
You have to shape the bottom of it like a mermaid.
Does that look like a mermaid tail, Eugene?
No.
Almost getting there. All you have to do is put the tail on there.
Well, how do I get the tail?
Like a fin, it's two-sided.
It needs to be wider at the bottom?
No, two-sided.
Two-sided. Isn't it just one fin?
No.
Two parts to it.
It is two parts. No, it's not.
No, it's two. One bit on this side, one bit on that side.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, I'm trying to make it into like a triangle. No?
No, you have to make that a good shot.
What?
Mommy, you have to make that more sharp that way. I'm trying to make it more sharp. Man, I'm trying to make it more sharp. Maybe something like that. Okay. Other side. Wait. Okay, that's better, right? Is that better?
So I'm here while I'm relaxing. I'm still thinking about all the stuff I need to do for this week, and I'm just like, you know what, I need to just write it down and get it on paper, because sometimes a lot of my overwhelm comes from when I don't write things down, and I end up overbooking things, or like thinking about too many things I have to get done tomorrow when I know I probably don't even have time to. So here I am with my daily blocks. I don't know if you can see my daily blocks, trying to get them all in so that, you know, I can try to have a successful, you know, day tomorrow. So, and I am totally taking in this view right here. It's beautiful. There he goes. Oh, be careful. His balance is really off because of his vision, so he's always like kind of looking like he's gonna topple to one side. So sometimes I get a little nervous when he walks on unlevel ground. No, this is so good for him, guys. It's not easy, the fight that he's fighting right now, and to get used to a new life. I'm so glad he's out there with Marissa right now. Oh, be careful. I knew that was going to happen. Hey guys, I'm just taking a little walk by myself on this very nice day. Not too hot, not too cold. I don't know about you all, but I know for myself sometimes I don't take enough time to think. Sometimes I'm just going, and I don't stop to think. And this is the place where I like to do that. My first job was at a beach, so that's probably why I love the beach and the sound of the ocean. So every day, that's what I did. During my breaks, I would just sit down and think about my life, my goals, how I want to be a better person, and how I want to help people. So I'll probably get off right now so that I can think. All right, that was awesome. I'm glad we were able to get out for a second. We're on our way home. We just made a stop in Santa Monica to Target. You know, you gotta go to Target in every city you're in.